fell in?
I don't think you're supposed to be in the water.
Oh God.
True north, baby. You're fast, baby. You're fast.
Going down.
Good breakfast. Duluth, day 2 in the hotel, on the way up to, I don't even know where we're going. Stick around for the ride because I don't even know where this video is gonna go. Should be interesting. I'll see you when I pick up the camera next. Hi, just check it out.
Perfect. And your room number?
509. Right.
Did you need an extra copy or you got one?
Oh, I got one, yeah.
Okay.
Just making sure I
Done?
just like, yeah.
You're fine?
Awesome, sweet.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Start it? Dakattack here, boys. Okay. Stay there. Smart dog. Am I on a rock? No. Okay.
Yes, sir, Cardi.
These are nice. What? These are really nice.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. We're out here with Eli and Christian up in Duluth, Minnesota. We're on the Cloquet River doing some kayaking and paddleboarding with, well, let's just turn it over to Eli and he'll explain to you guys kind of what we're doing up here.
What's up, guys? So yeah, basically my second cousin, they have this company called Pure Paddle. You can check them out at purepaddle.org. We'll put that down. But we're basically riding their kayaks and their paddle boards right now. They came out here, we're shooting a cool little advertisement for them, and then we're gonna shoot a video of our own. We're out here having fun on this river, and he's basically got a little loft for us to stay in. It's called the Cloquet Loft. You can check that out also. That's a VRBO. You can come stay the night. I don't know the rates, but you know, check it out. We'll have the links all down below. You can come stay a beautiful night in Duluth. It's so beautiful here.
So yeah, that kind of explains what we're doing and where we are and kind of what we got going on. I'm gonna shut up and stop talking now and just enjoy this beautiful scenery. Hell yeah, this is sweet. Hell yeah. Let's go.
All right, let's go. Yeah. Rocks there. I forget that there's that fin on the bottom.
Well, we're about 10 minutes in and I have no words. This is so sick.
Check out this cooler, boys. What you got in the honey hole? What you got in the honey hole? Arizona iced tea, baby.
Let's go paddle. You know, I'm really surprised like how sturdy these things are.
Yeah, I thought they were more tippy.
Yeah. Like they are definitely tippy, you know, but like they're not. They're like they're pretty stable. Like I don't feel like I'm gonna like fall off.
I really gotta like lean to one side to like get it. Drone.
Huh?
Drone.
Yeah. 500 subscribers, I'll get a drone. Let's hit 500. You guys gotta subscribe. We'll get a drone at 500 subs. I'm gonna get some the iPhone footage. Looks pretty good too. Just for the, so you don't have to bust out the big camera every time. You know?
You know that.
Huh?
Go ahead.
What?
Go ahead.
This is sweet. Alright, hopefully you guys can hear me. I have my phone in a waterproof case from Paddle North. Thank you to those guys because it's keeping my phone dry. But I just want to get on here and show you where we are kind of. I don't even know where we are, honestly. We're on a river, that's the answer to that. But it's getting really windy and it's getting harder to paddle, you know, but it's part of the adventure. So here we go, baby. Update for you. Let's keep rocking. When you're out here paddling on the Cloquet River, always remember to bring some sort of long sleeve shirt or rain jacket or something because, you know, weather conditions can change quite fast. It is currently raining or starting to rain, and I sure wish I had a windbreaker or some sort of thing other than just a t-shirt. It's officially starting to rain. I just cut my foot off the rock. It's a great day to be an eagle. Let's go, baby.
Well, sucked, boys. Got a little shallow, decided to take the fin off so I didn't scratch her up too much, and ate it. Now I'm soaked. Luckily everything I own is waterproof right now. God, smart thinking. Hat even floats. Shout out to freaking Melon for it. God. Wow, this water is maybe 40 degrees. And I'm getting back in because I am freezing. Whoa! Pure paddle, paddle north, baby. Wow. That's hilarious. It's not hilarious. Now let me try to get in without flipping here, boys. She just went head over heels. I promise you. It's user error the reason I flipped. Heck yeah, boys. Now we're just cruising, I tell ya. Oh, that's money, dude. Don't hit the rock, baby. Dodge them, dodge them. Whitewater rafting, baby. Oh. I don't even know if you're gonna be able to hear this, but I'm soaked.
Let's go. It's really shallow, guys. Like, we're probably in like a foot to like 8 inches of water. So we've kind of been like scraping over rocks and stuff. Had to go out and walk there. But you know, beautiful day out on the water, super nice. The scenery is awesome. You can't beat this. Yeah, just taking it all in.
Did you see me tip, Christian?
What? Heck yeah, boys! True north, baby! Pure paddle, baby! Pure paddle! Get one of these. I don't know when the last time I updated y'all was, so here we are. It is currently like 5:20. We started a little before 4, so we've been out here a little over an hour or so, if my math is correct. It's been awesome. Been living, taking it all in. Anything to say?
Dude, we're connecting with like our like nature side right now. It's very peaceful.
Let's go, baby. This is sweet.
Hey, look at me. Like, I'm a pretty motorhead guy, you know? Like, I like driving, like, machines, I like hauling it. But this is like, you know, kind of calming my CTE from football, you know? Like, the voices went away when I got on this kayak.
Time check, it is 6:15. Still floating. Got the boys over here. If it floats. Shut up, Siri. We're having a heck of a time out here on these kayaks and paddle boards. Big shout out to the Wixo family for setting this up for us. This has been awesome and we really appreciate it.
Yes. Look. I'm serious. Come here. This is a Minnesota tree frog. Oh. We killed it. Okay. Ready? Mm-hmm. So this sucker right here. See it? Oh, let's see if I can stop it from jumping. Can stick to trees just like in the Amazon. It's a Minnesota green. I don't know what type of tree frog it is, but I know we have them at our lake and they're brown. But here it's green.
There's a lot of bugs here.
There's a lot of mosquitoes here. You want me to let them go?
Ouch. All right, guys, there's a lot of bugs here, so I'm gonna keep this real quick. This is like a little camp spot you can access via the river. Got a little fire pit and log there that you can come in here and camp at.
Oh my god. Got some space over there to put a tent up or something. Eli found a little friend.
A tree frog,
if it
bro.
focuses, it didn't really focus.
Let's see if I can get it looking at you.
No, that's okay. It's good. People know what a tree frog looks like.
I don't know. Tree frog's pretty sick from where
Let's
I come
go.
from.
I'm getting eaten alive.
All right, we're leaving.
Marked by one of these things, so check those out if you're in the area.
That's crazy. Should we leave something just in case one wants to come? Fell in. God. I'm freezing cold.
I don't think you're supposed to be in the water.
Oh God. Oh God. I don't think I am either.
We were just checking out that walk-in, or I should say float-in campsite, and then this kid kind of stumbled and fell. All right, guys, time check. It is 7:25, and I just went off on my Siri, so hopefully she doesn't interrupt me here. But it is beautiful out here. like it has been, and I'm hitting the bottom. It's shallow. Eli's over here
This is wicked.
taking it all in. But yeah, 7:30. We got out here a little before 4, so been out here a couple hours now, and it's been pretty sweet.
Cardi, you got anything to say?
Come here.
Alright guys, update. Made it to Side Lake on the Cloquet River or whatever river we're on.
Okay.
Cloquet River.
Cloquet.
Cloquet River. That's what I said.
Cloquet.
Cloquet River. That's what we're on. And now we're at Side Lake, but we're actually not going on it, but I just want to say that we're here. It is currently 7:45. Been out here for a while. The arms are dead. How you guys feeling?
I'm a little tired, yeah.
Arms are dead.
Getting there, but
It's
beautiful, though.
Quite a few times.
it's
though.
beautiful.
Yeah. So, yeah, there we are. On the river, baby. Here we go. Stay tuned. It's gonna be slippery. Oh, feels so good to stand up. Land a hoe, baby. Let's go.
We made it. Might be a bit sore in the morning, actually. It's a good workout. I mean, it's a little pumped, but God, it's beautiful. Beautiful. Look at him.
All right, everybody. This is where we're gonna end today's video, Duluth Part 1. Huge shout out to Pure Paddle and the Wixo family for setting this up for us. We had an absolute blast. I mean, no complaints on my end. You guys, thoughts?
Oh, this was so much fun.
It was a lot of fun. So beautiful too.
It doesn't get any better than this. We left the drop-off point like a little before 4, I think, and it is currently 8:12. So we've been out here a good while. Shoulders are sore, but yeah. Gonna be up in Duluth the next couple of days, so hopefully we get some cool videos cranked out for you guys. So yeah.
Heck yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you later.